Hi guys, I'm back. See my new kitchen? Isn't it wonderful? Food Prep for Foodies is open again for new members today through Saturday. Imagine you're driving home from a long trip. Everyone is hungry or hangry, as I call it, and you don't feel like eating out yet again. You arrive home exhausted. You go to your freezer and you pull out 4 portions of homemade soup and a few pieces of that great bread you bought from Costco months ago. Dinner is ready in 15 minutes. It's warm, cozy comfort food, and you didn't even have to spend any more money. It was faster than ordering pizza and so much better for you. Does this sound wonderful? My food prep method is different. No more of those 5 black boxes in a row with chicken, rice, and broccoli. Who wants to eat that every day? With my method, you can pick and choose that day what you want to eat, and you only cook 3 days a week. It's easy. Let me show you how. Here's a quick peek at my membership hub. First, you learn the basics. Why you food prep, how it saves you time, money, and calories. Then it all begins from there. I show you what basic foods to have on hand, and I show you my method, my gourmet done skinny meal method. If you're not a cook, don't worry. My videos show you how to make delicious food. If you're a foodie, I've got you covered. But the best part of it is you can use your recipes or mine. My method works for most recipes. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today. Check out the details in the comments and the show notes and get a free physical copy of my book, my latest book, The Power of Food Prep, when you sign up for an annual membership. Also with an annual membership, you'll also get some super cubes, which these are fabulous for food prep. If you can't do the annual membership, no worry, I've got you covered. We have monthly memberships as well, and you get a free ebook of The Power of Food Prep when you do a monthly membership. So sign up today. What are you waiting for? Save time, money, and calories with the Gourmet Done Skinny Meal Method and the Food Prep for Foodies membership.